Good morning and welcome back to some of the best deals you're going to find this Sunday. I have a ton of deals for computers, for graphics cards, for RAM, for CPUs, anything you need to build a PC or to game with. I've got a deal for you today, so stay tuned. There'll be links to the chapters in the description below and also a link to this deal doc. So if you just want to go click on each one of these and see what deals are out there, you can skip the video and go to that. You have affiliate links in there. So they do help me out. And with that, let's get into it. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. First up, I have this Turtle Beach Velocity steering wheel and pedals. It's $249. It's 44% off. If you're into racing sims, this looks like a good setup. I don't know that much about it. It does only have 3 stars, so you have to let me know in the comments if this is actually a good product or if you should skip it. I also found this MagSafe magnetic charger that you slap on the back of your phone for $23.69, and it looks like there's a little bit more off with a save $1.19, I guess. I don't know why that's there, but hey, every little bit helps. Not a bad price for a MagSafe wireless charger that sticks to the back of your phone. Now we're getting into some CPUs. We got the Ryzen 5 5500, $86, but with a coupon, it's $74 even. Great price on the CPU. It is a budget CPU. It is the GOAT budget CPU right now. For $86, you cannot go wrong. If you want to stay on AM4, we have the Ryzen 5 5600. A lot better performance than the 5500, but also about twice as much. $147. Also a great CPU. Decent price for this one. And then to pair with either one of those, we have the B550 motherboard for $70. So if you're going ultra budget, this is a great deal. And then we also have the Ryzen 5. This is the Ryzen 5 7600 X3D. So it gives you that B cache for gaming, which is amazing. Gives you more performance than a normal 7600X will. $240. Really good price on this. And we have the Gigabyte B650. This is $95. Decent motherboard, no Wi-Fi, so keep that in mind if you buy it. You can spend a few more dollars and get one with Wi-Fi if you need Wi-Fi. Then we got a couple tower coolers for you. The Cooler Master Hyper 212, $16. And then there's also this Delta A40 ARGB CPU air cooler, $14. Most CPUs, even that 7600 X3D, does not need anything more than this. Everything else is more aesthetic if you want that style. Next up, we got a bunch of graphics cards. I found a few refurbished ones over on Amazon. Found some combo deals, but let's get into these right here. The 5060 8GB, $306. This is a refurbished one. This is the best price I've seen for the 5060 today. And then jumping up to the next level is the 5060 Ti, also an 8GB card, $370, also refurbished, but best deal I could find right now. And then if you want to go with a 16GB version of the 5060 Ti, this is $479. This is a new card, not a bad way to go. And then also we have a 5070 for $551. This is refurbished, but it is MSRP, or actually it's less than MSRP. I think the MSRP on this is $559. Definitely a good card as well. 5070, 12GB of VRAM. It'll get you into 1440p. And then I even found a refurbished 5070 Ti at $861. So one of the better prices I've seen in a while. Remember, these things go quickly and the prices fluctuate fast. So if you miss the price out on this, follow me. I always find them and I always post them when I do. Now, if you want to go AMD, which I did in my computer and my girlfriend's computer, the 9060 XT 8GB variant is $339. This competes with the 4060 Ti, by the way. And then you can do the 16 variant for $439. Also competes with the 5060 Ti 16GB as well. And then we can get into the ASRock 9070, the non-XT version. This comes with a 750 watt power supply and Crimson Desert. It is $629. MSRP on this is $559 or $549, I think. So you get the PSU and you get Crimson Desert for just a little bit over that. Pretty good value here. And then next up, if you want to do just the 9070 and you don't need Crimson Desert, you don't need a power supply, you can do this version here, ASRock Radeon RX 9070 Challenger. So decent RGB on this one as well. $659, so a little bit more, but you get a 360 millimeter AIO with an LCD screen. It is a sharp looking AIO as well. $659, also a great way to go. Then I got a couple more bundle options for you. In the Radeon RX 9070 XT 16GB, this has Crimson Desert and also the 750 watt, but it also has this discount here. It gets you $70 off, so it gets you to $699 for this bundle. And then if you don't want to do the Sapphire Pulse, I have a gigabyte version, same offers, same price. So $700 for either one of these. Good price any way you slice it. They both have those discount coupons available. And we got some RAM deals here. I've got this 2x8GB DDR5 6000 speed, and this is selling for $200 over on Amazon. And then I also have this used kit for $345, 2x16GB sticks at 6000 speed for $345. Best price I could find. They don't have very many of them, so act fast. It wouldn't be a deals page without some motherboard combos, right? So I've got this B550 motherboard. It comes with Wi-Fi. It has a Ryzen 5 5500, and then also comes with 16GB of DDR4 at 3200 speed, and then this little USB-C hub for $229. Not a bad way to go. And then this Ryzen 5 7600X bundle, $430. That comes with B650 with Wi-Fi, and then also 16GB of DDR5, 750 watt, 80 plus bronze Rosewell power supply for $430. Great way to get started on a build. And then also we have all white kit that if you guys are looking to build aesthetically a white build, this has the Ryzen 5 9600, so the newer model. It has the B850 And then it also comes with 16 gigabytes of DDR5, and then also this 360 millimeter AIO all in white. So for $479. Also a good way to go. You're paying a little bit more for the white, but you also get this AIO with it versus the power supply. So just make the decision which way you want to go. And this is what I featured on the short. If you're coming over here from the daily shorts that I do, this is selling for $135 if you use the app to buy it, because you get another 10% off. This is a Gen 5 NVMe. Definitely a good price on a Gen 5 solid state drive. They're just now getting to be more popular, but they're still expensive. This one is not. This is actually cheaper than most of the Gen 4 drives that I've been finding. With that, folks, the deals are done. I hope you guys found some deals that you can use. Let me know if you're looking for anything. Let me know what you found. I've also going to feature some mice and keyboard options tomorrow on the short, and then also do a little bit larger video just like this one about those mice and keyboards and stuff that I've used, actually personally used, and I like. If you want to take advantage of any of those deals, I have my affiliate links in this Google Doc. This Google Doc is listed in the description on YouTube, also in the bio on TikTok. Just keeps everything organized, makes it really easy to track when they were posted, so you know. And with that, the deals are done. Come back Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and back again on Monday. Every day, guys. Daily deals for you. If you're looking for something, I'm here for you. And so let's get out of here. Let's enjoy Saturday or Sunday. It's Sunday. We'll see you tomorrow.